Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog, the place where creativity meets simplicity. In today's video, we are exploring something truly special, cheap wood crafts that look expensive. Yes, you heard that right. You do not need a fancy workshop or costly materials to create home decor pieces that look like they came from a designer store. Wood is one of the most versatile, affordable, and timeless materials you can work with. With a little creativity, you can turn even the simplest wooden pieces into stunning art, furniture, or decor that instantly elevates your space. So, whether you are a beginner or a hobby crafter, this video will inspire you to look at wood in a whole new way. Let us get started. First, let us talk about why wooden crafts always look so elegant. Wood naturally has a warm, rich texture that never goes out of style. Even the most basic piece of wood has grain, tone, and depth that give it character. That is why many people are drawn to wooden decor. It feels cozy, earthy, and sophisticated all at once. But here is the secret. You do not need premium hardwood to get that luxurious look. Soft woods, scrap pieces, or even pallet wood can be transformed into something beautiful with just a few smart techniques. For example, a simple sanding and staining process can make cheap wood look like high-end oak or walnut. Adding a light coat of varnish or a matte finish can instantly make a big difference. It is all about finishing touches, how you treat the surface, how you style it, and how you present it in your home. Now, before diving into project ideas, let us talk about mindset. When people think of crafting, they often imagine complicated tools or hours of work. But that is not what we do here. The goal is to make things that look high-end without spending a lot of time or money. It is about working smart, not hard. One of the easiest ways to make cheap wood crafts look expensive is through simplicity. Clean lines, balanced shapes, and neutral tones always give a high-quality impression. Think of minimalist wall art, small decorative trays, or geometric shelves. These designs look store-bought because they are neat and intentional. Another secret is color and contrast. A dark stain against light walls or gold-toned accents paired with deep brown wood can make your pieces pop. Even painting wood in matte black or soft beige can instantly make it look elegant and modern. And let us not forget texture. Mixing wood with other materials like rope, fabric, metal, or glass creates a layered, expensive-looking effect. For instance, adding leather handles to a small wooden box or a rope hanger to a wall frame gives your project that designer feel without much effort. Now, if you want your wooden crafts to look truly professional, pay attention to details. Smooth edges, even paint coverage, and proper sealing are what make the difference between a homemade piece and something that looks store-bought. Even if you are working with reclaimed or old wood, take the time to sand it, fill cracks, and seal it properly. Those small touches go a long way. Let us also talk about affordable materials. You do not always need to buy new wood from hardware stores. Look around your home or local area. Old furniture, pallets, or leftover planks from past projects can be repurposed into beautiful crafts. A bit of sanding, cutting, and painting can turn what looks like waste into something elegant. And here is another tip. Lighting matters. When you display your wood crafts under good lighting, especially warm or soft white light, they look richer and more inviting. So when you photograph or showcase your finished work, think about how the light hits it. Now, let us imagine what kinds of crafts you could make that are cheap yet classy. Think about small home decor pieces, like wall signs, candle holders, plant stands, or wooden frames. These do not require large materials, and they always have a decorative impact. Or maybe functional crafts, like coasters, key holders, and small shelves, practical items that people love to buy and use. Even if you plan to sell your crafts, these types of items are perfect because they are inexpensive to make and appeal to a wide audience. You can also go for statement pieces like wood centerpieces, serving trays, or mirror frames. Add simple metallic paint details, minimal carving, or epoxy resin touches, and they will instantly look luxurious. The beauty of working with wood is that it tells a story. Every grain, every texture, and every finish adds personality. And when you add your creative touch, that story becomes your own. So, do not be afraid to experiment. Try combining natural finishes with modern colors. Add layers of polish or leave it rustic and raw. You will be surprised how even the simplest wooden piece can transform into something beautiful and timeless. And remember, perfection is not the goal. What makes handmade wooden crafts special is the personal touch. A little imperfection here and there only adds to the charm and authenticity. Before we wrap up, here is one last piece of advice. If you are ever unsure how to make your craft look more expensive, think about design balance. Less is often more. Avoid clutter or over-decoration. Simple lines, neutral tones, and polished finishes will always win. So, whether you are decorating your home, gifting a friend, or starting a small craft business, remember this. You do not need to spend a fortune to make something beautiful. You just need creativity, patience, and a few pieces of wood. Thank you so much for watching Craft Catalog. If you enjoyed this video and want more affordable craft ideas that look stunning, do not forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and turn on the notification bell. More simple, creative, and inspiring wood craft ideas are coming your way every 2 days. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep turning simple wood into something wonderful.